Okay, so hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Oscar Outdoors. First of all, thanks very much for clicking on my video, and if you've not subscribed, please do so now. But today I want to talk to you about my new saw, the Bahco Laplander. So as it is in front of you, you can see length, so tip to tip, is 9 inches, that's 230mm, and the weight of it is 6.5 ounces. Okay, so it's a saw designed around the outdoorsman. So, you know, hunters, fishermen, bushcrafters, just normal campers, that sort of thing. It's designed for cutting both dry and green wood, according to the website. So, obviously, a live and dead wood. It's got a coated blade to prevent against rust, and also for low friction as well, so not getting stuck in between the logs. It's got XT hardpoint teeth in the blade, and it's got 7 teeth per inch. Okay, so that's the boring stuff. Let's have a quick look at it and then we'll go and use it. Okay, so I've just picked the saw up there. So you can see it's quite a robust piece of kit, but it comes in 2 halves, so that's for your ergonomics and obviously the ease of changing the blade over and things like that. It's got a leather lanyard, obviously, to keep on your wrist so you don't lose it. I'm not too keen on that knot, so I might just change that to something that looks a little bit more fancy. But yeah, the blade as it is locked. Okay, and it's a simple press release button to release. Very nice smooth action. Okay, but as it is as well, it's locked now. That's it, and a simple press. There's not much pressure on there either, so it's quite a good mechanism. Yeah, so looking at the blade itself, as I said before, it's a coated blade to prevent rust, and also to prevent low friction. So it's got XT point teeth, so it cuts on the push and on the pull. Focus. Yeah, and then 7 teeth per inch. Okay. Right, let's use it. Okay, yeah, so we're just back in from using the saw outside. Cut these 4 pieces off of a sort of kiln dried log. Okay, so we'll just have a look at the grain there. So I've cut a piece off both ends. See the teeth marks in there. Not getting much residue off there, you know, like any bits of sawdust. So it's quite smooth, but we're not going to be making furniture with this, are we? You know, we're cutting logs up to throw on fire, aren't we? We're not doing anything strenuous. Okay, let's have a look at the pieces that we've cut off. So this is the first piece that we cut off. This is the end piece, but we actually cut this bit here. And if you look, very smooth. Okay, it's quite a clean cut as well. I've not held the saw perfectly straight, but you can see that it's a nice neat cut. Again, this is the piece from the other end that I cut off. So rough on the outside, flip it over, and this is the bit that we actually cut. This is the bit that we worked in. You can see the saw marks, and as I've changed my angle and then come down, it's a little bit rougher towards the end. I wanted a little bit thicker at the bottom, I must admit. Okay, but these are the bits from the middle saw, the bits that we've cut off. We've cut on both sides of this. Yeah, it made light work, like really ergonomic. It's done really well. First sort of out of the box review of it type thing. I'm quite pleased with it. I'll be coming on all my little trips now with that. Yeah, quite pleased with that. Okay. So yeah, this has been a review of the Bahco Laplander. Tune in for more videos like this. Thanks very much for watching. As always, like, subscribe and comment. Take care, guys.